quick concept check for you on portfolio design and how the step system can fit into your portfolio design. So there's a couple slides in here that talk about portfolio design ideas. And in this example, we would say the step system falls into speculation for the shorter term swing traders. You can use the step system into growth strategies for longer term, position trades and things of that nature. But for the speculative, scenario here, let's say we're using $10,000 and we want to use $10,000 and apply that into our step system, and we use allocate no more than 5% of the total account into a position, or we do 2%, however you want to allocate that works. It just matters that you plan it. So let's go over here and take a look at example of a $100,000 trading account. So here's $100,000, and you can, in your layout here, you can go create some folders here. So for example, I've got cash flow trades and tackle 25 trades, and maybe I want to use 60% of my portfolio in those strategy areas. And I wanted to put another 10% in growth, and I wanted to put 10% into my step system swing trades. Okay, so again, this can fit into any portfolio, and how you allocate it's really up to you. But again, 10% here. So if you did that, that means that 10% here would equal 10K total capital. And then you can say, well, what if I used 2% position sizes, or 5% position sizes, however you want. So 2% would of course equal 2K, and 5% would equal 5K, for example, if you did that. So now that's asset allocation. And then you could break that down and even further and say, well, out of those positions, I want to keep the risk per trade, under 1% of the portfolio. And maybe I want to limit the risk per trade here to, say just, down to like $200, like 0.02% of the portfolio, or, 0.05%. So you can do, however you want there, risk tolerance wise, it's up to you. But that's how you're going to determine your position sizes. And you have to have a really good idea of what you want in your portfolio design and layout, what your real focus is going to be. Most traders like to focus on those cash flow and income strategies. But again, other people like to focus on directional trading and speculation as their go-to bread and butter. Again, check your own portfolio against your goals. And if you have questions about it, hit us up in the clubhouse.